Hey guys, welcome back to another Midnight Mental Talk. Adrienne and I are going to tell you 5 weird, strange, or bad side effects about antidepressant medications. Adrienne, why don't you kick us off?
Sure thing, Leanne. Cymbalta is one of the newer antidepressants on the market. However, did you know that it can cause nasty, pussy, wounds, blister type things all over your body if you're over the age of 50? And also currently weaning off the medication and or other medical conditions such as high blood pressure and arthritis. It's not a very good drug. Especially it's really difficult to wean yourself off of it.
Ew, that one sounds gross.
Yeah, it's pretty gross. But another thing about Cymbalta that you may not know is that it has a terrible interaction with muscle relaxers and anti-inflammatories. So you basically can't take either while you are on Cymbalta. But now that I've told you that, Leanne, why don't you tell me something interesting?
Oh, I'd love to. Basically, whatever antidepressant you take, you are at risk of losing your sex drive. Do you guys know that? Well, you do now. And you're probably thinking, well, I'm already depressed. I already don't want to have sex. What's it matter? Well, it's going to matter when the antidepressant starts to work. You start to become happy and you start to want to do things with your partner again. If this happens to you, please consult your doctor because he can put you on a different dose or even give you a different antidepressant medication. And I know it's something embarrassing to talk about, but it is quite common with antidepressants, and I wanted to get that out there.
Another bad thing about antidepressants is that it can leave you with a freakishly dry mouth. While it's not life-threatening, it can lead to tooth decay and really bad breath. So that's just some more issues to get your anxiety going. Ironically. Now, for ways to treat dry mouth, you can go to the website that we left in the description below. So, yeah, check that out. Leanne, what else do you think we should warn them about?
Well, I think another side effect I want to point out is nausea. And some doctors are going to tell you to just take an antacid and forget about it. I, on the other hand, feel very strongly against that due to the simple fact that, the medication, if you're taking it with food and you're still getting nauseous, obviously is a bad side effect that you should not have to put up with. And an antacid really isn't going to correct the issue. It's only going to maybe, help you for a couple hours. So again, if you find you're on an antidepressant and you're getting nauseous and you're taking it with food and you're still getting nauseous, again, consult your doctor and see what he could do to help you out.
Now there are many other crazy side effects, such as insomnia, increased anxiety, weight gain, dry mouth, as we mentioned, daytime fatigue, and more that can occur while taking any antidepressants. So we urge you to educate yourself on the medication that you are taking and what ones you are possibly going to be prescribed, especially if you're feeling like crap every day and you're not sure why. Sometimes doctors and pharmacists are too busy to actually explain to you the side effects of the medication that you are prescribed and any other kind of drug interaction. So if you're taking the anti-inflammatory, who would have thought that you would be able to take it with your antidepressants? So be diligent on educating yourself and making sure to ask a lot of questions to your doctor and your pharmacist.
Thanks, Adrienne. That's actually a good piece of advice.
Not a problem, Leanne. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time. How blonde was that?
Well, that wraps up another Midnight Mental Talk episode for you this week. We hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and more excitement. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up so that we know we're doing something right.
Also, check out the description box below and you will actually find out that we are now on Twitter and Tumblr. So, what do you need to do? You need to click on the Twitter link and you need to click on the Tumblr link and click follow at both. That way, if you are not on YouTube, you will see the notifications for when we post new and interesting information. And I know you're on Tumblr. Tumblr's addictive. Everybody's on Tumblr.